E ngā mate o te wā, e rere tonu te waiaroha nā uwaihotanga moimoi rā haere atu rā. Ka mihi kātika ki te taumata kaumātua, e arahi ana, e awhi ana i a tātou, kia ora koutou. Kia tātou ngā kano hiora, ngā uri o tūperiri, tēnā koutou katoa. I sincerely thank all of the whānau who supported my previous election. Your trust and confidence in me is a responsibility that I take seriously and remain conscious of in all board business. My first term as a trustee has been very rewarding, and I am proud to be part of decisions that have created opportunities for whānau to learn, live and work as Ngāti Whātua Ōrākei. While we have achieved a lot, there is always more to do, and I am fully committed to continuing to serve my iwi with your support. My strengths are perpetuating Ngāti Whātua Ōrākei arts and culture, mahi toi, te reo me o ngā tikanga me ngā kawa, through learning, strategies and activities, and providing a grassroots perspective at the board. I am seeking election to lead, influence and contribute to decisions that affect our whānau today and in the future. My focus in the next term is to continue to advocate for, advance, support and achieve whānau and iwi aspirations. Kai a tātou te tikanga. Ahakoa ngā piki me ngā heke o te wā, ka manokohia, kua tautonu ngā manaakitanga o te wāhingaro ki runga i a tātou katoa. Tēnā koe e Katz, the time for you is now come. Nā reira, kai a koe te wā.
Ai tēnā tātou te whare, tēnā tātou e te iwi. Tēnei te uri o Pātoro MAIHI e tuana kai mui a koutou i tēnei wā. Ai te tukumihi ki te taumata ki ngā kaumātua me ngā kuia e kawea nei ngā ahuatanga o te iwi, a mā tātou katoa no reira tēnā koutou. Hoki ake ngā mihi ki ngā mahi o whai maia, whai rawa hoki, mā wā rātou anō mahi, ka tū tika tō tātou iwi tēnei wā, no reira tēnā koutou. Kia ora te whānau. It's been a very eye-opening experience being on the board this last session, and I'm really looking forward to doing it again. As I consider what we've done over the last 4 years since I've been on, we went through a really hard time with COVID, yet our iwi still manned up and assisted our whānau that were requiring assistance. Once again, big mihi to Whai Maia for that mahi, and I know that they put in a lot of hard work in. I've seen a lot of my cousins doing a lot of great mahi for our people. For me, I think one of the most exciting things for me is being a house owner and a homeowner. So housing for me is a real big issue. I know we've been building a lot of homes for our whānau. A lot of the questions that have come back from our iwi is we are looking for real affordable housing. So for me, one of my big drives will be finding that fine line between a nice, wealthy home and also a healthy home, but also affordable housing for our people. I think Ngārimu sort of stole my axe because he became the toki for this morning by talking about our mahi toi. And my job and my role as a carver is to perpetuate that mahi, so that the people out in the wider tāmaki get to see that we are still here. For me, that's what we're about. So we're going to be enhancing that whakaaro by encouraging our younger artisans to come forward, step forward, to take on this mahi, so that we have more people like myself and Graham that are out there fronting for our people. It's really important that our identity is out there, because 10 years ago we were asked, what do we want to see our city looking like? And at that time, it was looking more like Hong Kong. Now we have a lot more of our mahi out there, and a lot more Māori pou and Māori arts is, at the forefront now. So we are very lucky. So that's what I want to push. Also, I just want to have a big mihi to our team that have been driving the reo and the tikanga kaupapas. We've risen whānau and we're at a new level now, and it's really humbling seeing that knowing that there are a lot more people out there that can take up that path. And at this time, I just want to mihi atu ki a koe te waitapu o Waikare Moana, nā ura I tūwherehia tēnei rā e CJ. Ko koe tētahi o nā mātanga kai roto i a mātou, nō reira kai te mihi ki a koe. Me nā tāngata katoa kai nā tihi o nā mahi o te iwi, tēnei rā tāku e mihi ana. Nō reira te whānau, tēnā koutou, kia ora tātou.